channel. Today I'm going to show you my latest project, and I used all the goodies, all the supplies that Craftstash sent me. And so yeah, let me first show you what I made, and yeah, let's see. Okay, the first thing that I'd like to show you, this album is a remake of my Mirabella album and my Birdsong mini album. So those two, they are pretty much the same as this one. I just wanted to make a remake out of that because I love that album, and well, it's the best watched album so far. So I hope many more to make, but I thought, well, it was a good time, especially when I have so much papers to use for that Craftstash sent me. So that was the perfect way to remake that nice album. Alright, so the measurements of this album is, this is an 11 or 28 centimeters by 7.5 or 19 centimeters, and the spine is 3.5 inches and it's 9 centimeters. Alright, so that's pretty big. I have no idea if this is the same size as the Mirabella. I think it's almost the same, but I love how this turns out. So let me show you how it all turns together. Okay, so the front, oh my gosh, yeah, you already saw that. The front, I don't think that it's even dry all, but you see the, alright, so yeah, let me show you. So I used the flowers from 49 Market. I added some white flowers from my own stash. I added some steampunk bronze embellishment on it. I used the cards cut out with the silver cardstock underneath. Oh my gosh, I love it. I put some chipboard underneath so it lifts a little up. Of course, I used the papers, romantic steampunk romance, which I already showed you in the unboxing haul. And I used this little 10 of these bronze elements that keeps this nice spine. So nice. Okay, and on that spine I added a nice ribbon, seam binding ribbon. I added some charms. Oh, sorry, I'm totally out of frame. And the back I kept it plain because the papers are so nice already. Alright, so I'm gonna move this to the top. Oh, and of course the faux leather I used. Oh, that is so amazing. That keeps the spine so nice. You definitely do not see that much underneath, but it's under here. Alright, so let's go inside and let's go to the first page. I have to move this up. Okay, so let's go to the first page. Okay, the first page is pretty simple. Here we have a sewing tab to the left, to the right. Then this flips to the left, and I have to move my album a bit so you see the papers. This flips to the left, this to the right, and then in here there's a nice pocket where I added a nice tag. I still can use some ribbons if I like, but I did not do that. Oh, I totally forgot about that. But I still can. And then this goes to the left, and then we have a nice tag in here. I did not do on all the tags paper because it's pretty thick already. So I thought, well, I needed the space for adding photos. So here on these spots, you can write so much spots in here. Then we go to the next page. And this page has a nice pocket on here. Oh, look at this. It's so simple, but I love the colors. I just do. And then we go to here, and here we have a nice pocket, which I only put a nice strip on. Oh, before I forgot, I used the dies Heartfelt Creations Delicate Border Basics. They are so nice to use, and Yeah, so I cut out silver ones, silver cardstock, and from the white cardstock. But you will see that during the album. You will see that in just a second. Okay, then this, let me see, this opens to the left, full page. You got a full page on this side where you can still write or add some pictures on. Then on here we have a sewing tab. This flips to the left and to the right, and here there's a little tuck spot. So much space for everything. Then this flips to the right, and oh my gosh, I have to go all here. Here we have some photo frames, which I used the 6x6 papers for that. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Alright, so and then in the middle we have some pockets where I added some single photo frames, photo mats. And I use that silver paper to just give it a little extra flair. And then this all flips down and it closes with a magnetic. Okay, let me show you the next page. Okay, let's put it right here. Alright, on here we have a left small pocket on your special day, it says. And in here there's a belly band. Keeps this photo frame on its place. Then this flips to the right. And here I embellished some nice papers, and you still can add, let me use this one. You still can add a nice tag underneath, or photo of course. Then we have a nice pocket in here, a nice big tag in here. Then this flips to the left, and the left side I also decorate. Lots of place for a nice photo. And then on the bottom, see here I use that silver cardstock for that, with that die. I love that. And then we have a big photo mat. So much place for that. Alright, let's see how this all flips back. That's one page. Then for the next one, okay, I lift this a little up so my flowers are not going to be ruined if I'm leaving this to the left and to the right. Okay, the next page. The next page has a little pocket on here, thinking of you. Then this flips to the right, and here again I added nice decoration. And then we have a pocket on here. Then this flips to the left. So much space. I'm so glad with the solid one. That's easy the pages down. And then we have a big pocket, which I used this nice papers for the bottom. Okay, then this flips back, and then this flips right here. Then we go to the next page. I hope I do not forget showing you because sometimes it's a little longer ago that I made those pages. Alright, so the first thing, there is a tag on here. Flips back, and then there's a tag here. And then this is a swing tab, and this flips to the left. Here you still can add your photo underneath. And this flips to the right, and then we have a nice big pocket. Okay, put this back, back, back. That's it. It's quite a simple page, this one. Okay, let's go to this page. Alright, so here we have a nice little pocket. You are special in every way. Thank you for being who you are. Love all those quotes. Love it. And there are so many more. I did not use every single one of them because they are so much. Then this flips to the right. Here again a nice quote where you still can put your photo underneath. Here we have a nice simple tag. Love those papers, can't say that enough. So nice. And then this flips to the left, and here we have a big tag and a bigger tag. So much space, guys. This adds loads place for photos. And this flips back and back. Okay, and then we go to this page. Here we have a closure on this page, and this is a tag, dearest friend, and here is another flippable card in there where you can still add something on it, or you can write something in it. A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. Love it. Okay, and this tag holds it everything down with this ribbon. Okay, and let's continuing this page. This flips to the left, and then we have here a page and here. And in here, a nice simple photo mat. Your friendship is a special gift and is deeply appreciated. So true, so true. Okay, then this flips back, and then this flips open, and here we have a large pocket. Here we go, and this flips all back. And then this page, let me first go to this one. 2 string tabs, 2 little ones. This flips to the left and this flips to the right. And here I made just a little tag in the middle. Remember this moment, cherish this story, celebrate this life. Ah, that's so gorgeous. Okay, and this flips back. This flips back. Yep, here we go. And then this is just a simple pocket where I added just a simple photo mat. But you can add loads of things in here. So that's that, guys. Yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright, so this goes back in, and that's it. No closure on it because the album is big enough, it will stay there. And yeah, you will see it's not completely over thick, so we still have place to add photos in as usual, so it's perfect size. So what do you say? Do you like it? I absolutely had so much fun every minute of it. The papers are so unique, so easy to work with. Everything matches just perfect. And yeah, it's easy to add any color you like, but I don't think it's necessary. I love it. I hope you loved it too. Thank you so much, Craftstash, for sending me this huge package and let me play with it. I absolutely adore every single piece, and yeah, I can't say that enough. Thank you so much. Please visit the website. I hope they have everything restored because it already was sold out. So yeah, please visit the store and check it out. And check it out. Every link is below every video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. There is a tutorial, and I hope you join me. I am all my videos are free to watch because my videos are follow along. I do not have written tutorials or something like that. I don't have material list. Well, you can click on every link below the video. That is my material list. That is what I all use, nothing more. And yeah, there is no measurements list. All the measurements you need is be given in the tutorial. So just watch every minute of me, hear my brabbling. That's just the way how I do it. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.